In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Airbnb website. If you want prices to appear in the money you use every day, this quick guide will help you switch the display currency across the entire site so browsing and budgeting feel effortless. Start by opening your web browser and going to Airbnb.com. You don't need to be signed in for this to work, but if you are, Airbnb will usually remember your choice the next time you visit. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You're heading to the footer, which is the section that holds helpful site-wide settings. In the footer, look for the controls labeled language and currency. They typically appear side by side and may show something like English, US at USD. Language changes the text you see on the site, while currency controls how prices are displayed. For what we're doing today, focus on the currency option. Click the currency control to open the currency selector. You'll see a list of popular choices, including USD, US dollar, PHP, Philippine peso, EUR, Euro, GBP, British pound, and AUD, Australian dollar. Pick the one you want to use for browsing. This choice only changes how prices are shown to you on the website. It doesn't change the host payout currency or your bank's conversion rates. Airbnb uses current conversion rates to estimate prices in your selected currency, and the final charge may include conversion by your payment provider if your card is in a different currency. After selecting your preferred currency, click Save. The page will update, and prices across the site, on search results, listing pages, and your trip details will now display in the currency you chose. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a quick refresh. On some devices and browsers, the setting is stored locally, so if you switch to another device or use a private browsing window, you may need to repeat this change there. When you're signed in, Airbnb usually keeps your preference tied to your account. That's all you need to do. Go to Airbnb, scroll to the footer, open currency, choose the currency you want, and save. This small tweak makes comparing nightly rates, cleaning fees, and total estimates much clearer, especially when you're planning trips across different countries. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Airbnb with prices shown exactly the way you want.